Over you guys, she is literally playing with fire and people are not happy at all. They say that she might regret in the near future. I mean, how can you do this? Although it might look like a revenge on her side, but it is not a good move. But anyway, guys, let's get to the story of today. You know the rules of the house. My name is Ngosela. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like and comment, guys. We all know how much people love Vuyokazi. Honey, they do love it. They will do anything for Vuyokazi. And people are saying that yes, we do love Vuyokazi, but there's something when it comes to Vuyokazi. She continues to make a poor decision about her life. So for those who don't know, izinganezesthembu, in season 2, episode 9, where Vuyokazi was talking to Mpilo about her relationship with Mpumelelo. And people were really, happy. The conversation was flowing. But she mentioned something that really caught people's attention is when she said that, yes, she came to the vacation alone, but she decided since Snape brought her friend, she's also gonna bring her friend who happened to be Mpumelelo's crush. And then people are saying that Vuyokazi, how can you bring your man's crush in a vacation? Although this might look like a revenge, maybe you are trying to say that I'm okay, maybe you're trying to do something, but it's saying that we are being warned about friends, and some of the friends might go beyond. We all know that Mpumelelo wants a 7 wife. What if it happened that out of those 7 wives, Vuyokazi's friend happened to be Mpumelelo's wife, and we are not sure the future. People are saying that you could have just brought somebody else and not your man's crush. I mean, that is the dangerous game that you're playing. You do understand that you're trying maybe to feel comfortable, but you cannot do that. People are just saying that that was totally wrong move from Vuyokazi. And they say that as much as we love Vuyokazi, but on this party she was so, even Mpilo was even shocked. I mean, we could tell that Mpilo was just confused. First of all, Mpilo, she's not even in a relationship. So when it comes to this thing of talking about my man, this is what happened, she does not even understand. I mean, she even told herself, she even said herself that, what, I'm still confused. I'm just feeling sorry for her. No wonder why I decided to listen to her. But it comes to this type of relationship, I just don't want to involve myself. No wonder Mpilo, she is something like a good daughter, because you know what, she always mind her own business. So people are saying that yes, if Vuyokazi, we do understand that you might be wanting to give a revenge, but it was totally wrong for you to bring a friend who happened to be your man crush. Honey, you don't do that. And how many people have been destroyed? How many people have home destroyed because of friends? How many people, what if this friend happened to have Mpumelela's child? What are you gonna do? Are you gonna still be friends with this person? So there's a consequences when it comes to do whatever you do. There's always a consequences, so you must be ready for whatever it happens. So we are saying that there are a lot of ladies that were married, and because they decided to bring friend in their home, that friend decided to destroy their marriage. And now that friend is married to their husband and they live happily. Remember that your friend know your weakness. Like, she knows your weakness, she knows your secret, she knows a lot of stuff, and she might use that against you. As much as we say yes, she's your friend, but you cannot trust people to a point where, yes, I do understand that they do broke up, but they do still have kids. How will you feel if that friend happened to also have a crush on Mpumelelo? You never know. I mean, how many people out there, they say that, you know what, I was happily married, today it's my friend who's still living in my house, they're still happily married. Things do happen. You cannot trust anyone. So I think that guys, when it comes to this decision of bringing a friend to a vacation, it was totally wrong. Although I don't know the reason behind. I mean, I don't know the reason behind. Maybe it happened that Mpumelelo wanted, I'm just gonna say it is alleged, maybe Mpumelelo wanted the friend before Vuyokazi. We don't know the story behind. So Vuyokazi just happened that it was Mpumelo's crush. So we don't know the future. So anyway, guys, have a conversation. What do you think? Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Wednesday. God bless you. Bye.